How do I save money from my salary? Saving can often be a challenge, but it's one that we need to overcome to secure our financial future. Though it can be tough, there are many ways to simplify the savings process and help us achieve our money goals. In this video, we discuss 5 tips to put away money from your salary and help you grow your savings fast. Welcome to Kenny's Concepts, where the beauty of knowledge is our passion. The mission of this channel is to share useful insights and tips to help you on your personal and professional development journey. If you're new to this channel, welcome. If not, I'm super happy that you could join us once again. Remember to hit that subscribe button and bell notification to stay connected and know as soon as a new video is out. Also, if you like this video, show us some love and give us a thumbs up. On your savings journey, just keep in mind that the foundation of your ability to save is taking control of your personal finances and exercising money discipline. Let's jump into those 5 savings tips. Tip number 1 is identifying and recording your expenses. This is one of the most important steps in the saving process, which is often taken for granted. We need to track every dollar being spent, from the smallest random purchase to the biggest expenses. Our savings potential is effectively our income less our expenses. And because our income is pretty fixed, the most control that we have is over the money we spend. Record these expenses and begin to identify the ones that can be trimmed or eliminated completely. Tip number 2, create a savings target. Savings will continue to be problematic if we don't set a target or goal for ourselves. Often the approach is, whatever is left, that's the amount that we will save. The approach should actually be the opposite, where we designate an amount on a periodic basis to save. If we can save 10 to 20% of our income, that would be a great place to start. Again, look at opportunities to cut your expenses so that you can meet your target. And remember, pay yourself first. Tip number 3, save for something specific. As we mentioned before, being focused on a particular goal can be the best approach to savings. This is because we have a specific objective in mind. This goal could be saving towards a down payment on your new home, paying down student debt, or putting away money for retirement. Come up with the exact amount you need, a timeline in which you want to get there, and a specific amount you need to save on a periodic basis to achieve the goal. This will foster discipline and focus. Tip number 4, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to designated savings accounts. This way you maintain control and discipline over your savings by removing it completely from your thought process. Say for example you get paid $4,000 per month and your savings target is 10% per month towards that down payment on your new home. Set up an automatic transfer for $400 so that you only get $3,600 at your disposal to spend. This way, the likelihood of you spending too much and saving too little is actually reduced. Tip number 5, continue to monitor and watch your savings grow. As you become more consistent with your savings, continue to track your progress and look out for even more opportunities to save. These opportunities may be one-off or on a continued basis. As the money in your savings account grows and you get closer to achieving your ultimate goal, this will further motivate you to stay on track and keep the momentum going. A big part to saving and achieving financial success is utilizing a budget on an ongoing basis and not only having one in your head, but actually on a piece of paper or in an app or in a spreadsheet, whatever is your preference. I recently did a video on budgeting tips for money success. I'll link that up in the YouTube card above and be sure to check it out. In the comment section below, let us know if you have an established savings target. Also, do you use any of the other tips discussed or have additional tips that you'd like to share that can help somebody that may be reading? Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Until next time, stay blessed.